just come back, so we come to check out the market. Normally they have a special schedule, a certain time they come back. Today is around 2 o'clock in the afternoon, so you can see it's very busy behind me. Let's go inside, have a look. It's said that this port is more than 1,000 years old. That's my friends there. You see, there are still boats coming back. There's no dock, so big boat can't come here. Small boats, and people are waiting already to get the stuff. You can see here people are dealing already. See the boat. Have some small fish, a big one also. It's you buy per I don't know, per kilo. Okay, let's check out this boat. What do you have there? Very busy.
Mà ăn tám tổng nó ra lẹt chứ hô vậy mới là tám tổng.
黄鱼多少钱一斤？多少一斤？斤。阿姨，多少钱？多少钱呢？多少钱一斤？这个黄鱼多少钱？250。啊？哎，大的600块钱一斤。啊，一斤的600。
去年也没这么贵呀，今年怎么这么贵呀？
没有，很少。
去年我们买的大的也就200。
啥嘞？我那越来越快。